Hi there! Now I'm back from the kayak tour and I have some scratches to take care of. Let me show you. Here in the front there is much more wear and tear than in other places in the kayak, and here I have a little bit deeper scratches, like here, that might need a drop or two of epoxy. But some of the scratches are not so deep, like these ones. They will not need so much treatment, just light sanding and a new layer of varnish. And this will look like brand new again. But I will start with the deeper ones that will need just a little bit of epoxy to fill. I prepare with the light sanding. This will remove old varnish that will otherwise prevent a good bond. Here I use 80 grit paper as I want to increase physical bonding. With the epoxy layer I'm planning on applying here. Further down from the front I focus my effort on scratcher areas. To remove the sanding dust and better see what's left to do, I wipe off the surface with some alcohol. As I'm limited with the protective equipment at this location, I'd rather use relatively safe products for this repair. The surface got dull from the sanding and now it's clean. And I can see the scratches that need further pre-treatment. With a spatula I can clean out dirt from scratches until the surface is free from dark stain. With minimum protective gear I have to be very careful. I do not want to spill any epoxy on me, so I work far away from the body. The deeper scratches here in the front gets a full layer of epoxy. Further down, the more shallow scratches get a thinner layer. Some debris lands on the surface. Being outdoor, it can't be avoided. So I might need to do some cleaning up after curing. The next day I clean off birch seeds with a spatula. I also use the spatula to even out the surface. It usually works fine, but here the epoxy has not cured enough. The dull surface is a result from soft epoxy being pushed around. I mix up some 2-component polyurethane varnish. This will improve the surface and perhaps the dull areas will be invisible. For this work I need to add a mask to the minimalistic outfit. The result is good for being done outdoor.